wind, away from the bugs, huh? That's much better. Thank you, Amy. Blessedly, still no traffic. We'll walk over the intersection. No. We're going home. All your brothers and sisters are wanting some time too. What a good boy. Buster, whoa. 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 Nope. Walk on. It has to be my decision. Shall we working trot? Buster. Working trot. Working trot. Good boy. There we go. Good boy. Trying to move him back over to the right side of the road where there are fewer rocks. And then he started to pay attention. That was good. Had to find the one big rock on the road, didn't you? Hmm? Well, good morning. That is a red and yellow-winged blackbird saying good morning to us. Sorry, Doodles. Just hit Doodlebug with the whip. That wasn't very cool. Walk on. I want to come down here with a rake and dump all of the big rocks off the side of the road. They're straight ahead of you, son. Shall we working trot? Let's working trot. Good boy. Still want you over here where there are fewer rocks. That's a boy. Good boy. He's a lot straighter and more comfortable now that the dogs aren't ahead of us and playing. Oh, I want you to come back to the right. That's a boy. Okay, what he's learning is very subtle cues for moving from side to side. And to have someone at this age and this stage, I believe it's the 5th time I've hitched him, to have him learning that this young is pretty awesome. Once you come to the right, that's a boy. Using little half halts in rhythm with his outside hind leg. So if I'm going to the right, it's his left hind leg. As it goes forward, I'm half halting, and that asks that leg to move over underneath the body. And he wants to be to the left so badly, all I have to do is loosen up my right rein and he goes to the left. So there he's come back to. So now I'm giving the same kind of cue to move left. I'm holding them between my thumb and my first finger, and that frees up my little fingers to do all the work. And I can be as subtle or harsh as I want. Well, good morning. It's a little western kingbird. With me, but they don't talk much. From here we walk. What a good boy. Yes, little rocks. Time for shoes. The only reason I shoe my 2-year-olds now that I'm not showing anymore is because of our nasty caliche rocks, and it protects their feet some so that they aren't taking ouchy steps all the time. They learn to understand that the whip is not just a guidance tool, it also is a fly tool. They get used to me rubbing them on their sides, on their butts. I even go up and rub them under their belly. What a good boy. Oops, right through an anthill. Very big one. I think the ants hills are not hills so much here. They're a lot like the canyons here, are a drop off into the ground like the Grand Canyon. Whereas in Colorado we have hills.